A while back, I shot a review of this DIY instant print thermal camera, and one of the repeating questions is, how do you delete photos that you've taken? And I really don't want to know what you guys are taking photos of that need to be deleted. But should you take photos of something and you want to delete it, here's how you would do that. So you basically go to the main screen, and then you go down to Playback. And in the Playback menu, you get to the photo you want to delete, and you press OK and hold it. There's a menu that comes up. You can select OK or cancel. If you hit OK, it deletes the photo. So once again, you push OK, hold it, say OK, delete, deletes the photo. Now, if you want to delete all of the photos on the camera, you can also go over to Settings, go into Settings, and then there is, as you scroll through, a Format option. SD card format. You push OK, you push OK to confirm, it'll work and it will format the SD card, and now when you go back to the Playback menu, there are no files on the camera.